Welcome to this Vipassana meditation. As you hear my voice, allow yourself to sink into deeper and deeper relaxation. There is nothing you need to do, nothing to figure out, just listening and allowing. Your body already knows how to relax. Find a comfortable position. Let your eyes close gently. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Quietly notice you are already beginning to settle. Now imagine yourself stepping into a quiet elevator. This elevator moves slowly downward toward deeper relaxation. With every number I count, allow yourself to relax more and more. 7. Beginning to drift inward. 6. Shoulders softening. 5. Breathing slower now. 4. Thoughts becoming quieter. 3. Deeper, calmer. 2. Almost fully relaxed. 1. Deeply settled. Rest here for a moment. Let the body enjoy this calm. Now imagine yourself sitting beside a peaceful lake. You are seated on a comfortable wooden bench. The air is fresh. The water moves gently. Small ripples spreading across the surface. Everything here moves slowly, quietly, naturally. Just like your breath. Notice the water flowing. Notice the breath flowing. Two rhythms, both calm, both steady. Now bring your attention to the breath, not controlling it, just noticing. Breathing in, breathing out. At the same time, listen to the gentle movement of the lake. The water flows just as your breath flows. The more you notice your breath, the deeper you relax. Deeper and deeper, calmer and calmer. Your breath moves like water, smooth, continuous, effortless. Let this affirmation settle quietly. My breath flows like peaceful water. My breath flows like peaceful water. My breath flows like peaceful water. Pause here. Allow several breaths. Notice something interesting. The lake never rushes, it simply flows. Your breath can do the same. In and out, in and out. Soft ripples on water, soft waves of breath. The more attention you give to your breathing, the quieter the mind becomes. Let this affirmation settle gently. Each breath carries me deeper into calm. Each breath carries me deeper into calm. Each breath carries me deeper into calm. Pause. Allow the breath to continue naturally. Now let go of following my words. Simply rest. Breathing, listening. Floating in this calm lake, nothing to manage, nothing to change. Just awareness and quiet. Now begin to notice the room around you. Feel the surface beneath you. Take a slightly deeper breath and slowly bring small movements to your fingers and toes. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Clear, calm, present, carrying this quiet lake within you. Thanks for meditating with me.